国航188栋，速度18栋的节点8海里。
速度18栋，节点8海里，国航188栋。
国航186，国航186重型，速度18栋的节点8海里。
知道了，国航186。
Okay, so I've got, looks like China Airlines sort of downwind there. Looks like they're joining another China Airlines downwind as well, so we're going to
国航142
do the full procedure, yeah.
栋，你好，北京，我们边落地跑动1。
At 180 knots.
跑动1，国航142栋。
国航186通报前机空客321，现在1点钟方位，距离9公里，1500米下降，目视报。
目视前机的国航186。
国航186与前机保持目视间隔。
收到了，保持目视间隔，国航186。
国航992重型，右转向2拐动4边。
右转航向2拐动4边，国航992。
军航4栋26，联系到大兴119.925，再见。
119.925，再见，军航4栋26。
Descend and maintain 1,500 meters.
Descend and maintain 1,500 meters.
Okay, 1,500 meters, 49.
Is checked.
Vertical
国
speed.
航1258向导18保持，右转向飞2洞洞，雷电引导。
下18保持，右转航向2洞洞，国航1258。
国航14拐6，国航14拐6，联系到塔台118.6，再见。
塔台186，再见，国航14拐6。
Increase rate of descent.
Will increase rate of descent.
国航1258，国航1258，现在正前方距离12公里，1500米动摇的活动，目视报。
That's checked.
目视了，国航1258。
国航1258保持目视间隔。
目视间隔，国航1258。
国航992重型，右转向33洞，保持15建立下滑道，可以盲降进近跑动1。
右转航向33洞，保持15建立下滑道，可以盲降跑到动1，国航992。
Turn left, heading 200 with Victor due to suppression.
Turn left heading 22, what did you say?
Confirm heading for.
Turn left, heading 200.
Left heading 200.
The separation, he's
But what
turning
was
towards the aircraft.
1258右转向飞26洞4边。
One to go.
One to go.
国航14拐动向到21。
向2国航14拐动。
Base
Helm. Check.
国航188栋，国航188栋，联系到塔台118.6，再见。
118.6，再见，国航188栋。
Technically we're on vectors, but if I'm still going to keep it, and if they turn us soon, then I'll activate.
Yep, thanks man. LOC Capture 1,000.
Landing runway chain to 36 left.
Thank you.
Okay, copied 36 left, Victor Papa Charlie Sierra. I told you.
国航125栋建立36
Right,
洞。
man. I'll fly the aircraft. You can changes.
国航125。
36 left, ILS Zulu. And what is it, 122? It doesn't matter actually. Vectors.
Yeah, we're on vectors.
Well, but I'll have to do like this. I'll have to activate. I'll have to then. Cut all this. I'll have to put, activate vectors. Activate. Then I'm gonna.
Traffic, welcome log about 8 kilometers southbound Airbus A320 is approaching 01, report inside.
And we'll keep our eyes open. We have on PEK.
国航186，国航186可以提前减速，先到沿塔台118.6，再见。可以减速了118.6，再见，国航186。
Okay. ILS Zulu 36 left is 111.7. 177 is set and set on both sides.
Checked.
Minimums are going to change.
Left turn heading 180 for space.
Left turn heading 180.
Left turn 180, caution, headings 180, speeds 180.
Check that, there we have.
Traffic sighted.
Yeah, but it's not the one.
It's not the one he wants us to sight there, yeah.
Exactly.
对的，国航128通报到3
minimum
12公里前方1400的活动不释放。目视了国航128。
Change to 310.
保持目视间隔继续进近。收到国航128，目视进近。国航128可以盲降进近，继续
And hot runway elevation.
Was it 110?
继续盲降进近，目视间隔，国航128。国航14拐动右转向2个右动飞4边。
I've got the chart up, everything's set.
Check.
And vectors have been activated.
118.6再见。118.6再见，国航996。
I do have that one who's turning now, probably onto 01.
Yeah, checked. Yeah.
国航14拐动，下到15保持前方活动365度。
Right.
好的，下午我们看到国航14拐动。
Okay, new approach is all set.
Check. Thanks, mate.
Good to go.
And as previously briefed by the taxi in.
Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you.
That is just.
国航14拐动右转向33道，保持15已经被强化到，可以盲降进近跑道动幺。下33道保持15可以盲降进近动幺，国航14拐动。Right turn right heading 240 for base.
Right heading 240 for base.
Okay, right, heading 240. Set.
Good afternoon. Descending 2,100 meters.
Sophia 604 Heavy, good afternoon, Beijing Final. Runway 01, descend maintain 1,800 meters.
Runway 01, descend maintain 1,800 meters, descend 0.
Sophia 604, speed 180 knots.
Speed 180 knots, descend 604.
国航1258联系到北京塔台124.3，再见。124.3，国航1258，再见。Heading 270.
Heading 270.
5边国航
270 set.
That's checked.
国航928重巡北京5边跑道动幺，左转航向2拐动4边。
左转2拐动4边，跑道动幺，国航928。
Traffic L, your 1 o'clock, same level, confirm traffic inside.
Yeah.
Firm, we have traffic inside. We'll maintain visual separation.
Heading 290.
290.
Heading 290 set.
Check.
国航928向南15。
向南15，国航928。
国航928更正一下，下面18保持。
向18，国航928。
Turn right heading 330, maintain 1,500 meters for glass loop, clear for ILS field, runway 36 left.
We'll maintain right heading 3, confirm 320, and we'll maintain 1,500 meters until glide slope cleared for the ILS DME Zulu runway 36 left.
Heading is 330.
330 for
330 set.
Yeah. Just as a note, he was all the time 1,000 above us.
Yeah.
That there might be some wake turbulence coming on.
He's 10 miles ahead of us, so hopefully it won't be a problem, but it's fair call. And we are cleared the approach.
And we are.
Localising glide slope is armed.
Check.
On heading 330, 180 knots, 180 to 8, 160 to 6.
广航928减到18栋。
9418栋，广航928。
Ethiopia 604, continue plan heading radar vector.
高度下21。
广航1252继续北京5边继续沿程序跑道改为36左。
沿程序跑道36左，广航1252。
广航1252，郑生你申请36左吗？
对的，36左都可以。
1252收到了，跑道改为36左。
广航1252 36左。
Okay, LOC's live.
That's checked.
Ethiopia 604, turn right heading 2704 base.
Right heading 2704, please get back to 04.
广航928正前方比你低1000尺的公务机36左能无视吗？
That's checked.
左能目视了，广航928。
And established.
保持目视间隔，保持18，建立下滑，可以盲降进近跑道动摇。
保持目视，保持间隔，保持18，目视接近跑道动摇，广航928。
北京5边广航156栋下2400。
广航928是盲降进近跑道动摇。
盲降进近跑道动摇，保持目视间隔，广航928。
Well, it's
广航
live.
156栋北京5边跑道动摇，左转航向3栋栋有间隔。
左转航向3栋栋跑道动摇，广航156栋。
广航156栋向到15保持间隔道。
下15，左转航向3栋栋，间隔道，广航156栋。
Established 36 left.
Continue approach.
Continue Victor Papa Charlie Fairster.
广航928速度18栋到5边8海里。
18栋到5边8海里，广航928。
广航14拐动，广航14拐动联系到塔台118.6，再见。 186再见了，广航14拐动。
It is showing 17 knots, so
Yeah.
18. We'll keep that in mind if it doesn't.
Yep.
塔台小海，广航14拐动，盲降动摇。广航14拐动，
LOC
塔台
Capture.
186。
Set the approach altitude, please.
Checked.
Ethiopia 604, turn right heading 330, intercept localizer runway 01.
I'm all confused what it was.
330, intercept localizer runway 01.
Sorry, we've had a few changes.
Yeah.
广航1252减速到18栋向南15。
减速18栋下15，广航1252。
Ethiopia 604, maintain 1,500 meters, localized slope, clear for ILS runway 01.
Let's approach altitude set.
Maintain 1,500 meters clear, let's approach runway 01, Japan 604.
广航156栋尽快到15有冲突。
已经尽快了，广航156栋。
Contact Beijing Tower on 124.3, good day.
Beijing Tower 124.3.
广航1258右转跑6脱离。
右转跑6脱离，广航1258。
Good day, Beijing Tower.
广航1258联系地面121.8，再见。
联系地面121.8，再见，广航1258。
海南拐腰96，地面风29栋4米秒，跑道36左，可以落地。
跑道36左可以落地，海南拐腰96。
Tower QH1026, continue approach runway 36 left.
1026, continue approach 36 left.
1026 is checked.
That's one to go before us.
Yeah, you just got cleared to land.
Yeah.
So.
He's the one taxiing off, but I don't see the landing. You have him inside? Well, it's,
No,
it's still, what, 7 miles at least? So
yeah.
no problems.
Okay, there's 180 to 8 DME. Okay, flap 20.
Check. Flaps coming to 20.
Auto speed's 160.
That's checked.
Red Alps alive.
Check. Flaps at 20.
Checked. Okay, gear down.
All good. Gear coming down. Selected. Spot is on.
台南拐196右转跑6脱离。
160 till 6 is good.
拐196。
Confirm 3 green.
3 greens.
Spot is on.
台南拐196联系地面121.8。
Check flap 39.
122.8再见，南拐196。
39. Speed checked. And 39 selected.
Checked.
Auto brake is off as agreed. Flaps 39.
Wind 290 degrees, 5 meters per second. Runway 36 left, clear to land.
Runway 36 left, clear to land.
Okay.
Flaps 39 selected and 39 indicating. We've got 4 in the air. Airspeed coming to VREF plus wind correction. Warning inhibit is on.
Okay, that wind's going to cut out. We've got 23 knots, and he's saying there's 10 knots. So, waterpart's coming out. I'll fly it in.
You want anything extra?
Yeah, maybe give me manual speed 130. Just in case. We've got plenty of runway there.
Yeah. Manual speed 130.
Check stable.
And stable. Because there might come a little shear.
Yeah.
And checklist fully complete.
Thanks, mate.
Approaching 3-6 left.
Checked.
That's checked.
Yeah, there's going to be a change, I think. Flight path vector's out over the trees over there on the left.
Yeah.
500.
Checked.
$400. $300.
Now it's
approaching
dying
minimum.
down a bit. Well,
checked.
Not much.
200. Minimums.
Visual continuing. Felt like it dropped off there, the wind.
Yeah, yeah.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Well, is deployed.
Checked.
Plus reversers. $80 knots.
Check.
Happy clean.
Go ahead.
Papa 5, vacate the runway.
Papa 5, vacate runway.
On the ground, 121.8, good day.
121.8.